Hey folks, today is June 3rd, 6:29 p.m. My name is James, and let's take a look, see what's going on. So the S&P may have found a bottom. I drew this line in, I don't remember if it was the last video or between then and now, but there is support right there. It's probably pretty minor support, but it has reached that now, come very close and is pausing with a spinning top. There still may be more downside, or at least more down or sideways days at this level if it's going to hold. It may bounce off of it and just start coming back. I don't know. There's still so much headline risk and news and uncertainty going on with the trade war with China and just all of that stuff. You never know if there's just going to be more and more downside. But we are at a level where there could be some support in place now on the S&P 500. Otherwise, it's this line based on this low here, which is just a heck of a lot lower. Looking at the Dow, see this load here. We got a spinning top / doji kind of pattern. This was a pennant that it broke down through. I don't have a lower line there because the S&P is really the one I'm kind of watching for support or resistance. NASDAQ, same kind of thing. I just threw this line in because I saw the pause and there we have a bottom, maybe support. So that's two indexes kind of stopping at a potential support level. If it continues to go, the NASDAQ could come all the way down here, which is like really bad. So I'm hoping the bottom is in, and even if it goes sideways or just kind of chops around for a while, perfectly fine. And then if we could get a news piece that's positive, takes the market back up, maybe we go higher. I could see the Russell continue to be weak. I think it kind of was a precursor. It led us lower as the first one to go. I could see it lag behind and not rebound immediately. Might just be slow to react. So it could go all the way down there and then finally bounce or something. But S&P and the NASDAQ might be at support. Oh, that's the wrong list. Okay, so I don't see us taking too long in here because just about everything is broken down. So I'm probably going to zip through these. I bought this today though. Not because I thought anything was going to happen in the market, but the fact that it's gone green on all of these down days. And then when I bought it, it had 180% of its average volume, which was pretty good. And the price continued out and it actually went a little bit higher by the end of the day. So we'll see what happens with that one. But I did grab that one because it's a breakout of a pattern. We'll see what happens. CarMax was kind of the same or similar. It was trying to go. Volume came up a bit. Couldn't close outside the pattern though. This guy was, it had rebounded back in on this day and then it tried to go higher today. Pulled back a little, but it's back in the pattern. Okay. Roku's still in its pennant. Trade Desk is still in its pennant. And then everything goes to crap after this. EPAM, blah. Nice, well, that's still in its pattern. Domo, done. AYR, well, close back inside. MDB, done. Shopify, done. Match, done. Coupa was done, and then its earnings came out after the close. And it's up about $4. We'll see what it does tomorrow, but there's no pattern there now. It's garbage. CRM could have been a short. This is kind of a symmetrical triangle, but it's more like a falling wedge and then a sell-off. It wasn't really a precursor. It wasn't really telling you that this should be a bearish move, but it did break down from a pattern. You could have shorted that one today potentially. Although with the market potentially at a bottom, maybe not a good idea. AVLR broke down below the low there. I don't know if it'll stay there or what. EHTH, that's holding up pretty good. Yandex is still inside that pattern, and then Chegg, again, sell up down to the lower line. We'll see what happens with that. So I zipped through those because there's nothing really that great to look at. I bought JKS, but there's a few there that are holding up, but it's pretty rough. That list is probably going to be much shorter on the next video. But yeah, potentially the S&P and the NASDAQ have touched a support level. And then we'll have to wait and see what happens over the next couple days and just see if we can rebound or maybe get some kind of positive news somewhere and see if the market can kind of build its way higher. That's it. It's a lot of wait and see, and I'm in JKS, and we'll see what happens with that. So I'll see you next time.